This is a family of cats who live in the wild in a garden in Hailsham. There are 6 kittens. There's a couple of grey kittens, there's a couple of ginger reddy coloured, browny coloured kittens, and there's 2 more that are a sort of a blacky colour, blacky brown colour. They spend all day together playing, bundling up, chasing things, eating and enjoying themselves. No sooner have they come but they leave. They go in single file in the same way that they came, one after another. I think they'll come back soon. They come most days, not for very long sometimes for a bit longer. I'm going to put up some more videos on YouTube and I hope you'll come back and watch them and perhaps leave comments. Thank you very much.